Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to use charades with your students and to install vocabularies. So the first thing you have to do is to divide your students into two groups. If you have less than 12 students. If you have more than 12 students, you can divide them into three groups. After that, you're going to pick up two students from each group and let them choose one card from the table. Make sure each student knows the meaning of the word they choose. If he knows the meaning, he can start explaining to his group the meaning by acting and gestures. If he doesn't understand the meaning, you can provide him a card with picture to illustrate the meaning. The group who answers first will get 1 point, and the group who has more points will win the game. This method will make your students be able to memorize vocabularies easily. Thanks for watching.